Installation of electric honeycomb shades. Unpack. First, attach the mounting brackets. Be careful to avoid the cord winder, motor, and battery. Measure the distance from both ends to the mounting bracket and record it. Remove the mounting brackets and secure them to the window frame. Note, testing should only be done after the blinds are installed on the window, otherwise, the cords may tangle and get damaged. The distance from the wall is consistent with the previous measurement, and the depth should be 5 centimeters. Drill holes and secure the mounting brackets. Repeat the same operation on the other side. If wall mounted, the installation height should be 10 centimeters from the top edge of the window frame. Make sure the mounting brackets are aligned along the same line. Align the groove of the honeycomb blind's top rail with the mounting brackets, then push it inward and upward. Slowly release your hand to lock it in place. If you need to remove the honeycomb blind, press inward on the blind. Push it downward from the inside. Then pull it out. Installation complete.